steady one. That's my asshole. That's Terry Warfield.
What up, y'all? Terry Warfield. You already know the biggest musclehead tech reviewing dude out there. Hope y'all having a good day so far. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you drop a hashtag up in here in the comments so that I know you up in the comments. So this video is actually for my fitness folks, man. So I know I've been doing a whole lot of tech and stuff like that, man, but I ain't forgot about my fitness folks. So first thing before we get started is if I slip up and cuss a little bit, y'all know I cuss. So, you know, if you don't like it, just keep it moving and keep your little comments from up out the comments, because we really don't want to hear them. But anyways, I came to give you guys some free information today. Now, before I say this is advice, yo. You still have to put the work in yourself and do your due diligence on everything. But what I'm going to share with you guys today are my favorite 5 tips on how to manage your diet to lose weight better. Because we all know it's easy to get to the gym, right? It's easy to work out. The hard part is after you leave the gym, the dieting part, avoiding the food cravings and the snack cravings. So I'm gonna give you guys my favorite 5 tips that I use personally to help me keep my diet in check, to help me keep my weight in check. Now again, you have to use this in addition to the obvious. You gotta work out, you need to be active, you know what I'm saying? You need to do this consistently, not just for 2 weeks, not just for 2 months. You have to change this stuff into a lifestyle, all right? But these are my favorite 5 tips that help me all the time. My number 1 tip for you guys is, if you don't know, one of the worst cravings to have is food, okay? So with that being said, is if you're hungry, you'll do whatever it takes to feed that craving, right? So this is the mistake a lot of you guys make. You go out in the streets, running errands or doing whatever it is you're doing, and you don't eat. So what happens is you get out in the streets and then you ride past all these restaurants and you're smelling all this good food, right? And you make a bad decision on some fast food. Now again, you'll do whatever it takes to feed this hunger craving, right? So you're gonna rationalize it. You're gonna say, I haven't ate all day, I can afford some fast food in my calorie count. You're gonna say, I won't do this next time. But the reality is that continues to happen unless you change it. So here's my number 1 tip for you guys. Before you leave the house to go run your errands or whatever it is, eat. Eat before you leave the house, and I guarantee you when you get out in the streets and you do start smelling this fast food, you'll think twice about it because you're not hungry, which will help you make better conscious decisions about your diet. So that's number 1, eat before you leave the house. Number 2, cut out all the juices, pops, fast food, cut that out. Cut out all the candy, all the sweets, and look for natural sources to satisfy your sugar cravings. If you're having a sugar craving and it's 10 o'clock at night, instead of getting a bag full of candy, get some fruit, get a banana, get a pineapple, get you some low-fat yogurt and mix some fruit in with it or something like that. Make better choices when you eating, and that will lead to an overall healthier lifestyle. So my number 2 tip is to cut out all the BS from your diet. Make it a point to yourself to think in your head, yo, if I eat this is gonna kill me. This is poison. So now I'm not saying that you can't snack, all right? Obviously, food is one of the better pleasures in life, okay? So it's all right to snack here and there every once in a while, right? But you have to avoid that stuff for the most part at all costs, because you already know what happened. You open up 1 pack of Oreos. You say, I'm gonna get 2 Oreos. What happened? You end up in a whole pack is gone, all right? You say you're gonna get a sip of pop, right? You look down and a whole 2 liter is gone. So the way I control it is just to avoid it. I don't buy it. I don't bring it in the house. I don't do none of that stuff. So avoid the snacks, candy, fast food, fried food, and stick to whole foods, water. And here's my next tip. Number 3. Use coffee and water and chewing gum to your advantage. So I know it's hard sometimes late at night when you're having those snack cravings to not go in the cabinet and maybe find a little snack and you grab 2 pieces of candy here and be like, it's only 2 pieces of candy. Or you go grab a corner of a brownie over here. It's only a corner of a brownie. Well, guess what? When you keep doing that every night, them calories add up. So use coffee, water, and gum to your advantage. Coffee, for you guys that don't know, is a natural appetite suppressant. So what I do a lot of times when I get hungry and I'm having these cravings, I'll get some coffee. And what I'll find is right after I drink coffee, I don't crave the sweets anymore. I don't crave the snacks or anything like that. So use that. Use water, because you should be drinking your water anyways. Use water and chewing gum, even if it's a sugar-free kind. They say all this crap about sugar-free is gonna kill you, give you cancer. Hell, everything is. So, use those 3 things to your advantage, because those 3 things will keep the snack cravings at bay. Number 4, eat small meals, all right? There's a big thing about portion size, and some of it's bro science, and I'm not gonna get into all of that. I'm gonna tell you what's proven. All right, when you haven't eaten all day and you finally get some food, what do? You overeat, because you feel like you gotta compensate for not having that food that you didn't eat all day. And in the back of your head, you think you're doing the right thing, but you could have sat there and devoured 4,000 calories in one sitting, right? Eat smaller portions to avoid that. So eating smaller portions has a bunch of benefits. There's no scientific proof out there, to my knowledge, about it speeding up your metabolism. But here's what it does do. Number 1, it's way easier on your stomach. I don't know if you guys have found out or not, but when you eat large chunks of food, it's very difficult for your stomach to digest all of that. That's where you get the gas. That's where you get the bloating. That's where you gotta fart all night. So eating smaller meals will help you avoid that, because you're not stuffing your stomach with food and making it difficult for your stomach to digest it. Next thing, it keeps those hunger cravings at bay. If you split this up into 5 different meals, the chances of you wanting to snack in between those meals is a whole lot lower, because you're not hungry. And like I said earlier, hunger is one of the worst cravings to have, and you'll do whatever it takes to satisfy that. So if you split your meals up, it makes it easier to manage those cravings, because you'll find out you're not craving that Snickers bar in between your meals because you just ate. Okay, so as soon as you are starting to crave something again, guess what? You got another meal coming up. So it helps you avoid those hunger cravings, which in turn helps you lose weight. So that's number 4. Portion your food. Instead of just eating lumps of food and taking a chance of overeating, portion your food out, avoid the hunger cravings, make it easier on your stomach, and keep it moving. All right, my 5th tip, and you guys are already doing this, but sometimes people just need a refresher. Some people may not know. Drink your water, all right? This was a tip I kind of piggybacked on in number 3, I believe, but drink your water. Number 1, you're made up of 70-some-odd% water. Why wouldn't you drink it? Number 2, water does help oxidize fat, carries away toxins and everything. Number 3, it keeps you hydrated. Number 4, it helps you avoid cravings. When you want a snack, go chug some water. I guarantee you the snack craving will leave. Now, here's the thing. How much water should you drink? Woo, I'm getting hot, starting to sweat. How much water should you drink, all right? You see people like me walking around with a gallon of water. I'm not saying you need to drink an entire gallon of water a day, all right? You'll find out that if you drink a gallon of water a day, you're gonna spend a majority of it pissing all day, all night. What you do need to do is make sure that you're drinking enough water to stay hydrated, number 1. And number 2, give your body a little bit extra to work with. So the average person who's not out doing construction all day or in the sun all day, sweating profusely all day, is cool with 64 ounces of water. If you're feeling froggy, you want to drink more, but you only need about 64 to 84 ounces of water for the average person. Even for somebody like me who sweats a lot and who is always in the gym, 64 to 48 ounces of water is still enough. If you don't believe me, that is proven science out there. A lot of that water, you pee back out. If you haven't noticed, as soon as you drink a tall glass of water and you already hydrated, what are you doing? You're going to the bathroom in 10 minutes because you're doing a pee-pee dance and you gotta pee. So there you guys have it. You have my top 5 tips. Now again, you have to use these in addition to working out and conducting a healthy lifestyle. But these are my favorite 5 things that I do personally to help myself avoid these snack cravings, to help myself avoid from overeating, and ultimately to stay lean as shit. Make sure you guys check out the previous video called Let 'Em Hate. Like I said, I'm gonna start making sure that I don't forget about my fitness folks. So it will be workout videos coming. It will be motivational workout videos like the one I just posted. And I'm gonna still post my tech stuff too, because y'all know I like lifting weights and I like tech. And whoever don't like it can just unfollow me. Because do you know, side note, do you know somebody had the nerve on one of my YouTube videos to say, why are you doing workout videos and you have a tech channel? It's my channel. I can do whatever I want with my channel, and that's what I like. So if you found this information useful, please do me a favor, share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, take a screenshot of it, link the video back. I can only grow with you guys' help. So thank you guys for watching. I have one more thing for you also. All of my gear that I use to film with, I get off Amazon. Right now, you can sign up for Amazon Prime for free for 30 days. All you have to do is use the link in the description. I get everything from Amazon Prime. I don't go shopping. I order on Amazon, get it shipped right to my doorstep. So that's all I got for y'all today. Much love. I hope to see y'all back on the next video. Peace.